Who's that girl you're friends with? You've got a lot of mutual photos. Does she make much money in her job as a skanky hoe? No, it's nice that you're friends. You've obviously got a lot of mutual interests, like kayaking. And that awkward moment when someone sees you using the 5-second rule and you're like, oh my God, I'm never using that. And cats. But I like cats too. I've got a couple and they're all named after you, like Grumpy Stephen, Goofy Stephen, Ginger Stephen, the Steve I like to choke till he makes a little kitty noise like Reh. I am crazy about you, about you. Oh, I see you're wearing a new shirt. Did she take you shopping for that shirt? You used to go shopping with me, but I guess you needed a new shirt, cause I've kept most of your old shirts and now I use them to make piñatas and effigies. I am crazy about you, about you. Oh, I got a tattoo. It's you as Edward Cullen and I am Bella, and the whole thing is like sparkly, and my dad is Jacob. Is that weird? Is that weird? It's probably not weird because it's not my fault, because I saw it in a dream. Is that weird? It's probably not weird. I am crazy about you, about you. Oh, I've got a body pillow with your face taped on it. I use some of my blood to write you a Shakespeare sonnet. I am crazy about you, about you. Oh, I know where you're going, and I know where you've been. I know when you're ignoring my messages, because there's a little notification that comes up nowadays, Stephen, that says, seen at 3:42 a.m. What were you doing up at 3:42 a.m.? Were you riding one of your whores? Was it Tara T-Stack Stacey, the one with 47 photos of her wearing a stupid fucking red hat from her trip to the beach on July 12, 2009? Huh? Why won't she accept my friend request? I am crazy about you, about you. Oh, I kidnapped your dog. You call the police. That's just classic banter though. You and me, I am crazy about you, about you. Someday I'm gonna murder you and make it look like an accident. Maybe then we can be friends. Thank you very much. I've been Steve. Come back in about 5 or 10 minutes and we'll do the final part of the show with the wonderful Stephen Sharp. Thank you. See you in a while. 5 minutes means 10.